if you want to bring in any international, country into the negotiating table, start making the efforts now, because you cannot stop this moving train. Finland has seen everything. Your nakedness is now in the open. Finally, the atrocities and terrorism of Nigeria is now in the international community. Finally. That thing that you were hiding before, you didn't want it to be discussed at the international community. It is now being discussed in an international court. And you have no way to escape. No escaping route to Nigeria. So start now. Start making arrangements now for negotiations. Because I want to assure you that Prime Minister Mazi is coming out. And this moving train, this very Biafra that is going, you can never ever stop it. Do all you can. Zoological Republic, you can never ever stop it. I am assuring you, Tinubu, you can never ever stop Biafra. I'm assuring you, Musa, a terrorist like you can never ever stop Biafra. I'm telling you. Mark it somewhere. Today's date is 17th of June. You can never stop Biafra. Before the end of this month, I am able to know. We are expecting your call. Nigeria, Biafra government is expecting your call for negotiation. That's all. So my people, watch the full video, and of course make it go viral.
As I am content creator on there, yes.
Can't say picture.
He's saying you can nine off.
Are we there?
Our Prime Minister. Spread that out.
Outside courtroom. Our PM now put very soon. On our put even again make Queens William Fuga. Just say William Woken, never will in a reggae. You want to get PM.